Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome on today's episode, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this bright and shiny cast iron pan. Right, why did this happen? Basically I left it outside and accidentally got rusty, too much rust. So there's a couple of options. You can use one of these, but I'm using a drill and a wire brush on the end of it. Put it on and then basically start scrubbing. There you go. This is the majority of the work is sort of done now. Let's give the edges a bit of a brush. There we go. All the rust is gone on your cooking surface. So what we need to do now is just clean it up, wash off. Guess who wants the water hose? Right, the next step will be just basically wash off, get some water on, scrub it. Don't drink this water. What you want to do is basically wash off all that rusty dust off. Repeat a couple of times. And then completely rinse it off like that. Dry this water off completely. See how dirty still that is. So what you can do is just repeat that rinsing off process. But what I'm going to do now is basically look for any more rust. If I can see, I'm going to repeat that with the drill. As it dries out again, you probably can see still a little bit more rust in it, so you want to get as much off as possible. What you want to do is just wash it off after you've done a second time and got rid of pretty much everything. Just rinse it off, dry this out, and then we're going to show you the next step. Right, so the next step is after you finish grinding everything off nice and clean, dry it out, get your grill going at about 180 Celsius. So basically we can start a seasoning process. The grill is up and running, so let's set this up correctly. Get the deflector to the higher position on Kamado Bono. That way it allows you to get higher temperatures and you will not damage the deflectors. Get the grills on and let the actual grill go up to the temps, as I said, about 180. There you go, the grill is up to temps. So what you want to do, put the your cast iron pot, pan, whatever you got in the grill, let it heat up a little bit and watch for the next step. So the next step is your cast iron is nice and hot. We're using rapeseed oil. That's what I've got at the moment, which is very suitable. Put a little bit in and smother the whole surface of your cast iron. Shut the lid and leave it for about an hour to actually soak in and cook it. Also make sure that the oil is not pooling. So basically it's just covering the surface. So any excess oil, basically take it off with the paper towel. And we're going to repeat this process up to 3 times. Or one more step you can do is use a bit of beef tallow, beef fat, get it on. That will season your cast iron even better. Give that a rub. Always keep the beef tallow in my fridge. This is actually came from the ribeye tomahawk from last year. A very handy stick. You can just stick it on, wrap it back up, put it back in the freezer. So do that. That will season even better. So now the last thing what you want to do when you apply the beef tallow, you don't have to, but 1 more hour at 180 degrees Celsius. Shut the lid off. See you in an hour. So there we go, we've finished cooking this cast iron pan. Let's take it out, cool it down, and I'm going to show you how it looks. There you go. This is what it looks like. It looks nicely seasoned, ready to use on my next cook, which is going to be right now. There we go. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Hope you find it useful. Please drop a like and subscribe. Want to see more videos? Obviously tune in. Thanks for watching. See you later.